Ayan, bale.
Alright, kabayan.
Yes, kabayan.
There is a toilet behind the stand.
Okay.
6 o'clock we open the food.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock
If
pa
you
yung...
want to swim, you can swim.
Now?
Tomorrow.
Yay!
Focus.
Bukas! Yay!
We have water, soft drinks you will want. Alright? Huh? No, this is including the tourist.
Okay. Woohoo! Good.
Very nice.
Program.
So may...
No charge.
Meron pa kami parang gagawin. Actually, pagod na ako. Too bad there's work tomorrow. Pagod na.
Should I do it?
So ito yung beach front. Nandito kami parang ano siguro to, bahay, desert house or something. Pinipicture na ng mga kami ni Dex. Yun yung mga kasama namin. There, oh.
So ako yan, ako pipicture sa'yo.
Ayan sila.
Tinitingnan ko lang kung pwede yung mga ganun. Pare.
Kalimutan muna lahat ng problema. Yahoo!
Sarap pare. Kahit pala mainit, no? Pag ganito.